Hello and welcome to News X Auto. My name is Syed Shirasha and that's the Suzuki GSX-8R for you. And I feel glad to tell you that I'm the first motorcycle journalist in India to be reviewing this motorcycle. And of course, the full review will come later on. This is the headlight video, but I thought that, I'll give you a quick walk around and start the bike, show you the instrument cluster as well, okay, and then do my regular headlight testing. Looks gorgeous. So when you switch the ignition on, okay, the low beam comes on. The low beam and of course the DRL or the pilot lamp. And that's how the tail light looks. That's the brake light. Let me switch on the flashers as well. And let me sit on the bike and begin the headlight video today or tonight from here itself. Okay, that's a brilliant spread. Actually, brilliant spread. Okay, the high beam is quite high. I would need to adjust it because this is too high. I mean, this is perfect if you are into blinding the oncoming traffic. Since I'm not into those shenanigans, I will adjust it. I'll have to do it tomorrow, of course. So what I'll do, I'll quickly do my usual circuit, okay, and then adjust the headlight tomorrow, and then add the rest of the video. Okay, we'll talk about that when we'll reach there. Right now, so what I'll do the usual route, okay, and then of course you will be seeing the entire video all at once, but I'll be adjusting it tomorrow, making another 3-4 minutes video, and adding that clip, adding that video to this video, so that you see all at once and you will be able to see the difference as well. Now I'll switch off the GoPro and go to my usual spot and continue the video. Alright, so this is how the road looks, and quickly, so that's the low beam. See how high the high beam is. I hope you're able to see this. Okay, it's falling on the trees. Let me quickly get off the bike and give you a, I hope GoPro is able to catch the individual beams. And tomorrow when I'll adjust it and then add the second part to this video itself, which you'll watch in a few minutes, I hope you'll be able to see the difference here as well. Now Shiraz quickly ride. Look at that. This would blind the oncoming traffic. It does nothing to your visibility. See. Well, on second thoughts, okay, honestly, right now the bike is standing on that section of the road which is at a lower level. Okay, it's a dip and that's a bit of an incline, and that is why, okay, see, I can now see some part of the road. Okay, so this is the low beam, okay, and now the high beam. So I can see the road ahead. Back there I was, the high beam was only lighting up the trees. It was not lighting any part of the road. However, so that basically means I will be lowering it by just a bit, and then it would be perfect for all kinds of gradients. Yes, it needs to be adjusted. It is way too high right now. And you know what? The beautiful part is that you can adjust the low beam and the high beams separately. Okay, so for example, in the Katana, okay, when I had adjusted the lights, alright, both were adjusted because the main headlight assembly, okay, was moving, and that's how it is on most motorcycles. Thank you. However, on this one, you can adjust the low beam, you can adjust the high beam. So I don't need to adjust the low beam, it's perfect actually. Okay, I just need to adjust the high beam. And let me tell you that this motorcycle even allows, both the lights to be the horizontally as well. Okay, so this is vertical, this is horizontal. So like you can actually, for example, if you are in England, okay, if you ride on the left hand side like we do, okay, then you might want to, angle it towards the left slightly, so that, if you are a considerate person, you don't want to blind the oncoming traffic. Okay, although no one would do that actually. Okay, and it's the opposite in the US, wherein they drive on the right hand side of the road. Okay, so the point is, they are giving you that option wherein you can adjust both the lights, okay, to slightly towards the left or towards the right, depending upon, it's actually your choice if you want to do that. My point is, I would want to keep it straight. So right now, yes, well, honestly, so now that I know that it can be done, I'm thinking whether, no, you know what, both the lights are absolutely, yeah, they are straight. So yeah, I don't need to touch that. I do need to adjust the high beam. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit.